Stop. Before you scroll past this video, I need to ask you something nobody talks about. Why is it that two women can be the same age, the same weight, eating the same food, and one of them feels energized, balanced, and strong, while the other feels exhausted, dizzy, and like her own body is working against her? The answer is not a new supplement. It is not a strict diet, and it is definitely not just getting older. The answer is movement, but not the kind you think. I'm Dr. Romalia, and in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you 6 specific daily movements backed by real science that restore your balance, rebuild your strength, and actually help reset your hormones after 50. And I promise you, by the end of this video, your whole understanding of what your body needs right now will change. Now, before we get into the movements, I want to show you the research, because this is not my opinion. This is science. A landmark 2021 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that targeted physical movement, specifically balance and resistance-based exercise, directly influences cortisol regulation and estrogen metabolism in postmenopausal women. Let me say that again. The right kind of movement literally changes how your hormones behave. A 2022 study from the North American Menopause Society confirmed that women over 50 who engaged in daily functional movement exercises showed a 34% improvement in balance scores and a 28% reduction in fall-related injuries within just 8 weeks. And here's one more that shocked even me. Research from Harvard Medical School found that sarcopenia, that's muscle loss, begins accelerating at age 50, and women can lose up to 3 to 5% of their muscle mass per year if they do nothing. That muscle loss directly causes fatigue, hormonal imbalance, and poor posture. But here is the good news, and this is why I'm so excited to share this with you today. That same Harvard research confirmed that even 10 to 15 minutes of daily targeted movement can slow and even reverse muscle loss, restore hormonal rhythm, and significantly improve your balance and energy. That is exactly what I'm giving you today. 6 movements, 15 minutes a day, real results. Let's go. First, I need you to understand why your body feels different after 50, because once you understand the mechanism, these movements make complete sense. After menopause, estrogen drops dramatically, and most people think estrogen just affects your reproductive system, but that is wrong. Estrogen plays a critical role in bone density, muscle maintenance, balance regulation, and your central nervous system's ability to process spatial awareness. When estrogen drops, 3 things happen fast. Number 1, your proprioception declines. That's your body's internal GPS, the system that tells you where your limbs are in space. When this weakens, you feel unsteady, clumsy, or off. Number 2, your core stabilizer muscles weaken. These aren't your six-pack muscles. They're the deep, invisible muscles that hold your spine, pelvis, and hips in alignment. When they go, everything goes. Number 3, your cortisol rhythms become disrupted. Cortisol is your stress hormone, but it also governs your sleep-wake cycle, your energy levels, and ironically, your ability to lose fat around the midsection. Now, here's what I want you to hear as your doctor and as someone who works with women over 50 every single day. None of this is permanent. None of this is inevitable. And none of this requires a gym membership. The 6 movements I'm about to share with you are specifically designed to address each of these 3 problems directly and naturally. Are you ready? Let's go through them one by one. Movement number 1 is the single leg stand, and don't let the simplicity fool you. Here's how you do it. Stand near a wall or sturdy chair for safety. Lift 1 foot slightly off the floor, just an inch. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Switch sides. That's it. Now, why does this matter so much? A 2020 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that inability to stand on one leg for 10 seconds in midlife was associated with an 84% higher risk of death from any cause over the next decade. That is a staggering number. But here's the flip side. Practicing this daily rewires your vestibular and proprioceptive systems. It literally teaches your brain and your muscles to communicate again. For women over 50, this is your foundation. Do this every single morning. Build up from 10 seconds to 60 seconds over 4 weeks. You will feel the difference. Movement number 2, the wall sit. Back flat against the wall. Slide down until your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor. Hold for 20 to 45 seconds. Rest. Repeat twice. Now, why this specific movement for hormone health? Here's the science. The quadriceps and glute muscles are some of the largest muscle groups in your body. When you engage large muscle groups, your body releases insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, a hormone that signals your muscles to repair, rebuild, and maintain mass. Research published in Menopause, the Journal of the Menopause Society, showed that isometric lower body exercises like the wall sit significantly increased IGF-1 levels and reduced fasting insulin in postmenopausal women, meaning your body becomes better at managing blood sugar and maintaining hormonal balance. This also builds the exact muscles that prevent falls, your quads and hip stabilizers. Start with 20 seconds. By week 3, aim for 45. Your legs will shake at first. That's your muscles waking up. Movement 3 is one of my personal favorites for women over 50, the bird dog. Get on all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg at the same time. Hold for 3 seconds. Return. Switch sides. Do 8 repetitions per side. Why is this so powerful? The bird dog is a cross-lateral movement, meaning it activates both hemispheres of your brain simultaneously while strengthening your deep spinal stabilizers, the multifidus and transverse abdominis. A study from the Spine Journal found that bird dog exercises significantly reduced chronic lower back pain and improved lumbar stability, which is one of the most common complaints I hear from women over 50. But here's what most people don't know. Cross-lateral movements also stimulate cortisol clearance. By engaging your nervous system in a coordinated, balanced way, you help reset your cortisol rhythm, reducing that mid-afternoon energy crash and improving sleep quality. Slow is the key here. This is not a race. Control every inch of the movement. Movement 4, the calf raise. Simple, powerful, often overlooked. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise up on your toes. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Slowly lower. Do 15 repetitions. Here's why your calves are more important than you think. Your calf muscles act as a second heart. When you contract your calves, they pump blood from your lower legs back up to your heart and brain. Poor calf strength is directly linked to poor circulation, brain fog, varicose veins, and dizziness when standing, which are all incredibly common complaints in women over 50. A 2019 study in the European Heart Journal found that calf muscle pump function was a significant predictor of cognitive clarity and cardiovascular health in aging women. Beyond that, calf raises improve ankle stability, one of the first things to go as we age, and they activate the soleus muscle, which recent research from the University of Houston showed is one of the most metabolically active muscles in the body. It literally burns fat and regulates blood sugar just by being engaged. 15 calf raises a day. That's your cardiovascular and metabolic medicine. Movement 5, thoracic rotation. Sit tall on the edge of a chair. Place your hands lightly behind your head. Keeping your hips still and forward, rotate your upper body slowly to the right. Hold for 3 seconds. Return to center. Rotate left. Do 10 repetitions per side. Now this one is specifically for your hormones, and I want to explain why. Your thoracic spine, that's the middle section of your back, directly surrounds your sympathetic nervous system chain. When this area becomes stiff and immobile, which happens dramatically after 50 due to postural changes and reduced estrogen affecting joint flexibility, it keeps your nervous system in a low-grade state of stress arousal. That means your cortisol stays elevated, your sleep suffers, your digestion slows, your mood is off. Research from the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies found that regular thoracic mobility exercises significantly reduced salivary cortisol levels and self-reported anxiety in menopausal women after just 3 weeks. When you open up the thoracic spine, you are literally releasing the grip on your stress response. This is nervous system medicine. And movement 6, the one most women skip because it doesn't look like exercise. Diaphragmatic breathing with a brief breath hold. Here's how. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts. Your belly should rise, not your chest. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat for 5 minutes. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Ramalia, that's just breathing. But let me show you what the science says. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience found that 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing daily significantly reduced cortisol levels, increased heart rate variability, and improved estrogen-related mood regulation in postmenopausal women. Here's the mechanism. When you breathe diaphragmatically, you activate your vagus nerve, the master switch of your parasympathetic nervous system. This directly suppresses cortisol, lowers inflammation, improves gut motility, and creates the internal hormonal environment where estrogen can function more effectively, even at lower levels. This one movement alone, if you do nothing else, will change the way you feel within 7 days. I have seen it with my own patients. 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking. Now let me show you how to put all 6 movements into one daily routine that takes under 15 minutes and fits into any schedule. Morning, 8 minutes. Single leg stand, 30 seconds each side. Wall sit, 2 rounds of 30 seconds. Calf raises, 15 reps, 2 sets. Afternoon or evening, 7 minutes. Bird dog, 8 reps each side. Thoracic rotation, 10 reps each direction. Diaphragmatic breathing, 5 minutes. That's it. No gym, no equipment, no special clothes required. The beauty of this routine is that it works with your body's hormonal rhythm. Morning movements activate your metabolism and set your cortisol curve correctly. Evening movements calm your nervous system and signal your body that it's safe to rest and repair. Within 2 weeks, most women report better sleep, less dizziness, less back pain, and more stable energy throughout the day. Within 6 to 8 weeks, based on the research we reviewed together, measurable improvements in balance scores, muscle retention, and hormone regulation. I want to share something with you before I close. I have been advising women on health for years, and the one thing I hear most from women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond is this: I just want to feel like me again. Not younger, not different, just themselves. Stable, strong, in control of their own body. And what breaks my heart is that so many women are told by well-meaning people that what they're feeling is just aging, just menopause, just normal. It is not just normal. Your body is asking for something specific, and today I've given you exactly what it needs. These 6 movements are not a cure-all, but they are a foundation. They are the signal your body has been waiting for, the signal that says, we are rebuilding. We are not giving up. We are getting stronger. You deserve to feel that way every single day. Now, here's what I want you to do right now, and it takes less than 10 seconds. First, scroll down and leave a comment answering this question. Which of the 6 movements are you going to start with today? Tell me in the comments. I personally read every single one, and if you have a question about your specific situation, ask me there. I answer. Second, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell, because every single week I bring you real, science-based health advice specifically for women navigating this chapter of life. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real information from a real doctor. Third, and this is important, share this video with one woman in your life who needs to hear this. A friend, a sister, a mother, because the women who need this most are the ones who will never search for it on their own. You came here today because something in you was looking for answers. I hope I gave you some. Now go do your single leg stand. Go do your 5 minutes of breathing tonight. I'll be right here next week with more. Take care of yourself. Your body is worth it. I'm Dr. Romalia, and I'll see you in the next video.